the participant and the project director for this program. I'm John Adit, Assistant Inspector for Youth, Ministry of Social Development in the State. I will talk briefly because we have been just staying in the class here for so long, so I may not do very much. Otherwise, this time will not allow us. I would have been able to say very many things because our time is short. I will mention some of the key areas of concern. To begin with, youth are the backbone of the country. Every country in the world, youth are the backbone of that country or that society. Without youth, that society cannot stand by its own. They are the backbone because they are the energetic people. Anything which need to be done can best be done by youth, whether anything which is strong or weak, then youth are the best people to do it. So that is our definition of the youth. Now we have some developmental activities in Jonglei State here, which the youth are eager to do, but there are no possibilities of doing them. One, the youth of Jonglei State are eager to learn arts. For example, what you have just started here is a very interesting thing. I did not know that there are some artists here in Jonglei State, but I'm surprised now to see very good pictures are being drawn. This means that you have some talent in you, but you don't have access to practice those talents. So art is one of the developmental activities that our youth of Jonglei State are eager to do. Two, we have a sports program. We have very many youth in Jonglei State here who are talented in sports, such as athletic, football, volleyball, basketball, and very many other games. Education is also one of the developmental activities that our youth are eager to offer themselves. And by education I mean formal and informal. We are eager to educate our fellow brothers and sisters. So the above mentioned three are the typical part of the developmental activities that our youth of Jonglei State are aiming at. But because of no facilities